How are you?
Yeah,
How are you? How-
I'm good.
okay, thank you.
What
I'm
about?
also fine. I'm also fine. And today I'm talk to you. I'm really happy. Are you feel
Wow.
happy?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Of course. Eh, you like a, uh, you have any idea or not? But I have an YouTuber. What is the name from? He's also from Bihar. Uh, I forget his name, but such like you. You are like same like you. He's tech YouTuber.
Uh,
You
what's
know?
name his?
Okay, I forgot his name. I forgot. But such like you, same like you. He
Me,
he yeah, same like you. His name is
Sartaj.
Manoj, not Manoj. Same like name. But I am telling you again when I remember that name. No problem. But you are like same Manoj, maybe Manoj. But you are like a same, like a
Uh,
YouTuber. But when I tell that name, then you can understand who is he. He is tech YouTuber. He is, his channel is so big. There is no question. He is also belong from, Bihar.
Bihar.
Yes, you see or not, Manoj, maybe Manoj, not Manoj.
But my
But
favorite YouTuber is Sartaj.
okay, that's fine.
You know Sartaj, sir?
Uh, I don't know which types of content he.
Comedy type.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. Then you are learning English. Then what types of work you are doing on spoken English?
Yeah, yeah. Bro,
Yes,
hello.
yes, I
Uh,
listening.
we have to learn English
Yeah,
these days.
what?
I left
Why?
learn English. Uh,
Why?
I don't like
No,
these
no,
days.
don't laughing. Why you are left that thing? Because this is good way. You are find lots of quality. Don't feel shy. Don't feel nervous. Please carry on your speaking English. You are able. You are capable.
Yeah,
No problem.
you're right, but I
Why you are
don't like.
left? No. You are doing such a bad thing. Your thinking is really bad. Don't you are not capable. That time I am told you you are doing such a good job. But you are capable. You understandable. You are educated. Why you are think like that? Not a bad thing because I am not a good English trainer, good communicator, but I can do because motivate is important thing. You
Yeah, yeah,
motivated yourself, then no one can defeat you, no one can uh, left you because you are motivated in yourself.
yeah, yeah.
Don't be shy, don't be nervous. Please talk to the people, talk to
I
everyone.
have a nervous
Yes.
hesitations.
Then why you were left that uh, uh, spoken English? There is no such a thing. When you talk, when you reply to me, then I can understand everything. Then why you are thinking you are not good on speaking English? Please carry on. It's my suggestion to you. Please carry on. In this way, you can achieve lots of things. There is no question.
My mind is not like.
Why? Why? What is the problem for you?
I'm different boy.
No.
Uh,
Yes. No
uh,
problem.
I like, but ever I don't like.
Okay. I understand. But you talk with me on maybe 1 month ago in audio call. After that, I realized you think you
But
are. practicing.
But you're right. Thank you. You suggestion me. Thank you.
Obviously, okay.
But uh, I'll practice
Hmm?
daily.
Yes, keep practicing. It's my suggestion. I- If you feel alone, no problem. Please talk in English. You can find your new way because I am finding you. I am finding you, and I am finding not lots of opportunity to talk someone.
Yeah, bro. I am alone. This area.
No
There,
problem.
there doesn't know English.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. I know. Even in my area, even my house, even my area also same like because you
yeah,
yeah, I am finding new friend because I am learning. I am motivate myself because no one can suggest you. You are suppose you are doing some work, then no one can suggest you.
yeah.
Yes, and when you talk with me, maybe you feel happy because I am suggest you. Don't feel I am suggest you. Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
I'm just talk with you. That's like I'm not
Then,
suggestion. I'm not suggestion to you. I'm just talking to you.
hello,
Uh,
bro.
yes, sir. Yes.
Can you talk with me daily?
Oh, sir. It's
Only
not possible.
15 minutes yet.
No, no, no.
Only.
I am understand. I am understand. It's not possible for me, but I can manage when I am free. I definitely talk with you because I am talk to many people here. I am talk with many people, but you can find anyone because I am. You are finding a friend. I am connect with you. I am connecting someone to talk with you. No problem
Yeah,
for me. And you please carry on and no problem. There is no way when you understand the feeling. I'm again tell you. You are like a. I forget his name, but such like you. Yes, I am share. I am when our phone is over. Then after that, I share you that photo. You are like same YouTuber, but you are not doing that types of work. But when you speak better, then you
yeah,
definitely work on that type because no one can suggestion you. Only you have motivated. Only you have. Only you are motivated yourself because I am motivated myself. No one can suggest me. Yes, it is reality. Uh, it's big achievement for me.
yeah,
No one can everyone can ignore me. After that, when I talk to you, when I talk to friend, and after that my friend also think about me, and my friend and other relative also think about me. Yes, you are doing such a good job.
yeah,
Yes, that's why I'm again tell you, don't feel shy, don't feel nervous. Please talk to everyone, talk with English, and when you speak fluently, then you have enough, enough, uh, enough process. You have enough work you do in your life. There is
yeah,
no such types of thing. And I am why I am telling you because I am thinking and I am observe myself.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, and uh, that's why I am
So,
talk with you, and that's maybe it's better for you. And when our phone is over, then you see I am recording that video, and you realize what types of mistake we are doing when we talk to each other. This is the
yeah,
quality of this application. And when you talk fluently, then you can do such types of work. No problem. No, 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 no
I
problem.
don't know English very well, bro, but I'm trying.
Yes, that's motivation. That is your motivation. You don't know? No problem. You are keep learning. It's your good way. You are doing good way. You are
Yeah,
why you are educated, why you are learning, why you are get enough degree. It is no need for you but why you are reading? It's need for you, no problem. But when you learning this skill, then you have enough chance to get good place.
Yeah.
Yes,
And,
it is not laughing thought. It is not laughing thought. It's real. It's real.
uh, but I habit laughing.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand. Even I am also same feeling. I am when I am talk to friend, when I talk to other person, I am feel same. But after that, I manage myself and talk with you, and I am really happy because you are the next one. I am talk with you. I am talk with this application only four today. It's already four member. I am talk with video calling app, and I
Wow.
am and I'm happy. I'm really happy, and and in this way we can talk. We can learn some new words and observe new things.
Yeah, bro.
Yes,
But you call me. Thank you, bro.
yes,
You motivated me. Thank
yes,
you.
yes. I,
Now
again, one thing I am again tell you.
what?
One thing I am again tell you. Uh, why I am motivated because sorry, dear brother, light is gone.
It's darkness, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Light is coming. And I am again tell you why I am motivated to learn this skill because uh, when I am learning English 6 months ago, another one phone call coming in this way, and after that I motivated. You did not know maybe his name is Arif. He is from uh, Gujarat. You know, YouTuber Arif Auto.
What? What name?
Arif. His channel name is Arif Auto.
Ari photo.
Yes, he is also a YouTuber, and when I talk to him and I realize I can do, and after that we take a few minutes, we take like 6 or 8 minutes. After that he upload our conversation with YouTube, and after that I motivated, and I am feel really happy because that video already 15K people are watching that video,
Yeah.
and and that's why I am motivated for himself, and I am such like work I am doing nowadays.
Bro- Hello.
And yes,
Uh, will you uh, uh, hear my song? I sing a song
oh,
with guitar.
okay, yes, definitely, please.
Now,
Okay,
Hindi song, English song.
anyone, no problem for me.
You
You
know
can.
Hindi?
Yes, I know better Hindi. I am talk with you in Hindi, no problem for me. I know.
Yeah. I'm going to playing a guitar.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Keep on.
Yeah. Just wait.
Yes, obviously I am waiting for you. Oh, that's fine.
Just
Yes.
wait.
Okay, okay, okay. I listen you.
Ah, here we
Yes,
are.
yes, yes. Oh, fine, fine. Fine. Yes, I hear you. I hear you, and I am seeing you.
Yeah, yeah.
Fine, fine. Keep on, keep on. This is really clapping moment. Fine, fine. You are such good song. You are singing a good song. No problem for me. I remember that name. You know, Manoj De, Manoj De. Same like you. You are same like Manoj De. You have Manoj De.
They.
Yes, you are exact like Manoj De. Exact. There is no problem for me because you are like a Manoj, but maybe you are not Manoj.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I am sharing you that photo, Manoj De as a YouTuber, and you are like same. No confusion. You are same
My
like
WhatsApp.
Manoj. What?
You sent me in my WhatsApp.
Yes, yes. Definitely, definitely. And uh, he is really like you. Yes, same like you. Same, same. I am thinking you are like Manoj. You are a Manoj, but you don't know who is Manoj. But
Yeah, yeah.
when you see him, then after that you realize you are duplicate Manoj. Yes, yes, it, it is true.
So funny.
Yes, yes.
But let me check in the YouTube.
Okay, okay. Obviously, you when you check, then you realize yes,
You sent
uh,
me his name and
yes,
you
yes.
sent
Of
me.
course. Obviously, when our phone is over, then after that I send you the link and send you the photo of Manoj.
Brother,
Yes.
can you send me English motivator name in my WhatsApp?
Okay, okay. Definitely, definitely, definitely. I am share you. I am share you. I will share you.
Bro,
Yes. Tell me.
have you time this now?
What?
Have you time this
Yes.
time?
Yes. I have time.
Yeah. Uh, I began to you don't have time for me.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. No problem. You don't have time. No problem for me. We talk with.
No, hello.
Yes.
Me not. You don't have time for me.
Oh yes, yes. It is correct. It is correct. Really, it is correct because I am talk to many people because I am learning. I am learning every day. I
Yeah.
am learning. This is I am follow myself. I am uh, daily basis. I am talk 1 hour daily. It's my
Bro,
routine. Yes,
hello.
tell you. This is my suggestion to you. If you
Yeah.
understand me, I am again tell you no problem for me. And I am one thing I am asking you. That
Yeah.
video I am recording because I am cutting some portion and after that I upload my YouTube channel. This is my
Don't do, bro.
why no problem. What's the problem?
I
I am
don't.
cutting some portion. I am not showing your feeling. I am not hurting your feeling. No problem. No problem. When you see your video, na, after that you feel yes, I am doing such types of
There is your YouTube channel in the YouTube.
yes, yes, yes. I have a channel.
Don't upload it.
Okay, okay. I'm not uploaded that because I'm not uploading. I'm just tell you after that I upload.
Don't do, bro.
Why? Why?
I don't like that.
because when you show your performance in the world on YouTube, then you really happy. When
But
I'm talk first time, yes, I'm tell you my suggestion. I am talk with Ari Photo when he upload my, I have no t-shirt. I'm just, open body. After that, he uh, told me, I upload that video. First time I told him, no, 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 it's not good for me. I'm not wearing some, t-shirt, but you upload that video. After that, he told me, no problem. When you talk with me, then some people are influenced with you because you are learning, you are speaking in English. This is your quality. Yes, but I am not upload total video, but I am cutting some portion. If you agree, then I upload.
don't do, bro.
Why? Don't be nervous
Like
because
that.
you are showing in the world. You are like that Manoj Day. I'm share you Manoj like same.
Yeah, yeah.
Same. You are like a Manoj Day, but you
Manoj,
are not Manoj Day.
yeah, not Manoj.
But don't feel nervous. Don't feel nervous because it's normal situation. Why you are feel? I am popular in YouTube because I am also know it's not good for you. But we are not talking any difficult question. We are talking any some disturbance our conversation. Not like that. We are just talking in English.
Yeah,
Hmm. Yes, keep motivated, keep positive mind.
yeah,
Then
yeah,
it
yeah.
it would be better. I'm in tell
Bro,
you.
you
Your
sent
mind.
me your YouTube channel link.
Obviously. When I upload, I definitely share you the channel link.
Yeah,
Are you happy to talk with me?
yeah, yeah.
Definitely,
Definitely.
please keep motivated yourself. I am
Yeah,
also happy, dear, and I am not hurting you. I am just share you my view, what I
yeah,
am do, and what's in your life you do. Then it's better for your life, and it's in this way I am learning, and you can also learn.
yeah,
There
yeah.
is no
I
difficult
learned.
word for yes,
Hello,
yes.
bro. You
Mm.
don't upload this video because I don't talk with anyone in English better. You know that.
Okay, I know, but when you see your video, then you are motivated yourself because I am learning. I am keep motivated. After that, you realize, yes, it's the way I am also working. It's better for our uh, upcoming generation who want to learn English.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay. I am upload. When I upload, after that I share my link.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah. Of
yes,
course.
of course. And
Yeah.
make sure
What's
you
your
are yes.
challenge?
My
How is your performance and English conversation with
my
any person?
my performance is not good, but I am keep trying to good way.
Before from before you better now, bro.
Yes, I am better. I am nowadays I am continue talking to people, and after that I feel better. I am really confident about my speaking skill.
Yeah, bro, your confidence very well.
Mm.
I want performance
Yes,
good.
my suggestion to you, you are doing singing a song, it's good for you, but you can also such types of work, Manoj Day. You are
Yeah,
same like Manoj Day. When I share that link there, that photo, then you think, yes, it's me, not Manoj Day, it's me.
yeah, bro.
Yes,
Uh, will you want to know me? I play the guitar right hand and left hand, both.
okay, that's fine. You are uh, special person because I don't know how is play in guitar. You are learning. That's why you are doing. but I am not learning. I am not do like that.
It hasn't been become more days.
Hmm.
Only 21 and 24 days
Okay.
before
Okay.
I have learned the guitar.
Okay. Okay. You were learning. After that,
And
you are singing. That's your
yeah,
quality.
uh, singing 3 years ago,
Okay.
I
Okay.
have been singing.
That's also fine for your side. I am really happy you are singing a song very good, very lovely. I am really happy because I am also learning English. I am satisfied with my work, and make sure you also learning English. It's better for your life.
Bro,
Yes.
can you tell me I spoke with you
Hmm?
how?
You spoke with me.
How?
Uh, how? Suppose you talk with me in this way, you can learning English. You talk with me. After that, you learn. You are not talk with someone, then you can't learn properly.
How did my speak English?
Oh, okay, okay. No, there is no question mark. You are speaking is I am understand because I understand you. I am everything what you say to me. I am already every word I understand, every meanings I understand, and that's why I reply you. Then why your quality is not good? Your quality is really good. No
Bro,
problem.
hello?
Yes.
You tell me a lot of things and a lot of
Mhm.
talks.
Mhm.
I understand, but I don't talk English very well, speedily. Uh,
No problem. No problem. Why you are thinking about that? No problem. It's not matter. You are learning.
uh, uh, have you learned all English, all
No.
grammars?
No. Why? Why? Because when you talk, after that you realize when you use the grammar portion, you don't talk, but you don't invest your time with English portion. Because I am learning, and after that I realize yes, I am making a mistake, and after that I uh, took my notebook, and after that I note some words, and after that I am practicing with that
Same.
grammar portion. Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. I also in grammar is very important in the English.
I know, but suppose you are not working, then it's not necessary for you learn with grammar.